Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the structure of collision avoidance rules, that is COLREGs. So part A is general, part B is steering and sailing rules, part C is lights and shapes, part D is sound and light signals, part E is exemptions. Part F is verification of compliance. At last we have annexes 1 to 4. Then part A contains rule from 1 to 3, part B from rule 4 to 19, part C from rule 20 to 31, part D is rule number 32 to 37, and part E is rule 38, and part F is rule 39 to 41. Now, rule number, or you can say part B, is further divided into 3 sections, and this part is applicable for conduct of vessels for all collision avoidance actions are governed under part B. Now section number 1, it contains rule from 4 to 10 in any condition of visibility. Section 2 is rule 11 to 18 in sight of one another. So when vessel is in sight of one another, rules 11 to 18 applied. Then at last we have rule number 19, section 3rd in restricted visibility. So important rules of section 1 are 5 lookout, rule 6 safe speed, rule 7 risk of collision, rule 8 action to avoid collision, rule 9 narrow channels, rule 10 traffic separation schemes. Then we have the important rules of section 2. 11 is sailing vessel, 13 is overtaking vessel, head-on situation, crossing situation, 16 is action by give-way vessel, 17 is action by stand-on vessel, 18 is responsibility between vessels. Then we have finally rule number 19, conduct of vessels in restricted visibility. So rule number 11 and rule number 4 are application. So this is all about the structure of COLREGs, and hope you liked it. Thank you.